Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. How to change currency on Roblox. So there's a step-by-step guide with new method, and make sure you have logged in. We will move in the top right corner of gear icon and just tap for settings. So as per known, if I scroll down, so there's an option on the gender for change, language for change, or theme, and there's an option account location. So right now it will be just have my Germany location. How will I change my currency? So we will just move in the left top corner of three lines, navigation menu, and just tap for gift cards. So just tap. After right over here, you will be just selected the location from here. I will just select the UK pounds. So right now I will be just tap for shop gift card as well. So as you can see, in this way you will just have to change your currency on Roblox with very a new method. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching.